Independent welding courses available in Mcgehee, Arkansas, 2022. Hello, my name is Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, and I am the owner of Hog On Welding and the founder of Welding and Hip Hop and the founder of Hog On University. And I want to be able to greet you this year with some independent welding courses to help this area. I am in Mcgehee, Arkansas, my hometown, and I'll be in Arkansas about 6 months out of the year. And I want to be able to help you learn independently. This year, I have seen that there's a great need with MIG welding, stick welding, and TIG welding. But in this area of Arkansas, stick welding and MIG welding process can actually change some people's lives. So if that's you and you want to learn independently, I want to be able to tailor my courses around your need and your time so you can be able to get all you need. When you go to big schools, a lot of times they take you through a lot of stuff that you don't need. I want to cut out the middleman, give you the information you need so that way you can be able to take your life to the next level. I have a few different courses and classes available to help you. Here goes a few prices that can be able to give you a good understanding of how I can be able to assist you. For $600, it's a 20-hour course. If you want the big course, that's $1,000. It's 40 hours, and it's to help you pick whichever process you want to pick, from stick welding to MIG welding. Now, those right now that has been inboxing me, they've been wanting to learn MIG welding processes or the stick welding processes in this area. It's a great demand. So if that's you, you can invest in your future by being able to invest $600 or $1,000. If you invest $600, you're going to get the 20-hour course. If you invest $1,000, you're going to get the 40-hour course. And in this course, it's going to be hands-on. Now, in this time frame, I'm going to be giving you a lot of information, and we're going to be able to stay in touch. So not only did you pay for your courses, but also you also pay for a consultation, and you can be able to network with me in the future. So if you ever have any questions, or you need some answers, or you need some type of tips, you can always hit me up. I want to be able to help you gain your independence and take your life to the next level. So if you want to learn welding independently, make sure you visit the website. It's hogonwelding.com. That's hogonwelding.com. Or you can call me on the business line. That's 870-501-1974. That's 870-501-1974. My email is hogonwelding. On social media, it's hogonwelding on Instagram. It's hogonwelding on Facebook. And it's Black Phoenix on Instagram. And on YouTube, it's hogonwelding. So if that's you, if you're in the area of Arkansas, I have people traveling in just to come and learn from me. Someone who is seasoned, someone who has 20 years of experience, who actually build products, who actually have been in the field, fabricating and in the shop, being able to do both things. I am a field welder and a shop welder and a pipe welder. I can help you on whatever aspect, and I can help you establish your business. So if that's you, and that's something that you're thinking about doing, I'm in my hometown 6 months out of the year. Hit me up. Let's be able to help you gain your independence in 2022. Happy New Year.